this is Carl. I'm the color guard coach for Husky Band Day, and I am going to introduce you to my two captains who are going to demonstrate all of the moves for the routines, and then we'll have another two videos, one from the front and one from the back that actually shows the routine with music that you can practice with. So I'm going to start off by introducing my captains. This is Lola, and this is Shy. And Lola, I think you're going to start with the first move, which is called a Jamie move. So she's going to demonstrate a Jamie move. Okay. And if you notice, you show me your right shoulder arms, just so I know. Because in the routine, I refer to that as RSA, right shoulder arms, but that's what that means. Okay, so Shy, your turn. You're going to do a front and back row. That's the front row. That's the back row. Thank you. Okay, so Lola, you're going to do a front and back sweep ending in a left point. Good. Okay. So, Shy, you're going to do a double butterfly. You're not going to do it in the lunge position. You're just going to do it regular. So first of all, start and show the move. Now, in order to do this, if you've never done a double butterfly before, I want to show you a couple things. First of all, do a single butterfly. So now do a single butterfly, turning your body down. So that's the first two moves, okay? So, just do one single butterfly, facing out. One, keep going, two, that's one, two. There you go. Now, on three, the pole comes down and your body moves. And it comes down this way, and then on four, it goes behind her shoulder and comes back around to the front. Do the whole move again, the double butterfly. Okay, thank you. So, Lola, transversal with flair. Good. Now, teacups. So you're going to start up and it comes down, and then you go around 4 counts. Then do the second half of it. You're going to come up, and then how are you getting out of it? So that's that teacup, and sweeps up the wings, and then the next move is called a shoot the rainbow and a shoot the moon. This is shoot the rainbow, this is shoot the moon. Okay. Then we have a back scratcher. So it's 2 back scratchers and ends in a slam. Then we do a shoot the rainbow and shoot the moon again. Then we do double butterflies again. Then we do transversal with flair again. Then we do a Caleb fly. Now I want you to show that slowly. So when you go down, you go across your body, it comes all the way around, and when you can't move your hand any further, your other hand takes over. And then you do the same thing on the other side. Good. And then we have front and back sweeps, which I don't know if we did. Yes, we did. We did it with the point, didn't we? So go front and back sweep into an airplane, and then into the Y. And up into the Y. And that's all the moves you'll need to know.